What's inside the earth? What's inside the earth? Round and strong, so big and deep, full of secrets it will keep. Inside the earth is so brown, holding roots that stretch around. Inside the earth are shiny rocks, hard and heavy, big as blocks. Inside the earth are gems that gleam, red and green, they shine and beam. Inside the earth are fossils old, stories of creatures that time has told. Inside the earth are rivers below, water hiding right where plants can grow. Inside the earth